Hello, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews. Do you have muscle spasms, whether it's in your back, legs, arms, all over? Well, I don't know if you're familiar with TENS units, but this allows electricity to flow through your body, massaging our muscles. Almost feels like we're at a massage place, getting those muscles massaged. And it does wonders for my lower back. And so this here is the iSTEM. This model here, you're going to be able to have not one, but two, three, four things going at once, and each one of those has two pads, right? So you can place these in two places. So that initially is 8 electrodes going to your body to massage those muscles. So it could be a full back, it could be your legs, your arms, and your back at the same time. This is rechargeable. It can clip onto your pants or you put it in, and we can go ahead and choose our channels. There's again representing what's up top here. And we can increase the intensity with this up and down. And we can choose different modes, different massage modes, whether it's a pulse or a slow pulse or a quick pulse, different massages like a shiatsu. You can lock in your favorite. And again, you can change the modes here, TENS or EMS. You have timers, right? Increase the timer and then our power button. USB, it does come with the cable. This is going to be the cable here to charge it. And then you also get the wall adapter, which is nice. A lot of people don't throw in the wall adapter, but they give it to you. You get everything you see here. So you have extra sticky pads. And let me tell you, these pads, I saved this bag, but the things that they come on, save those because you can reuse them. These things are super sticky, so they're reusable. And again, you're going to get enough here for all the different sensors for your cables here. And you can see how simple it is as far as just plugging it in. You just put it in right there, snap it in, and then go ahead and turn on the unit. Really, really like this. So if you're looking for a TENS unit to cover your whole body, it's going to allow you to have different modes. Definitely check this out. And again, a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.